About 4 years back, we bought two palm trees of about this size. At that time, they were both in paper bags. We planted one of them in a pot, and this is it. This was planted 4 years back. And let me show you what happened to the other one. The other one we planted in the ground, and that's him. So you see the difference, and that is the whole point. When you take your children through the regular education, the regular books, they're like a palm tree planted in a pot. And when you take them through AI, you give them the ground of artificial intelligence, then they really grow. So if you want your children to grow with the help of AI, then use this book, AI ChatGPT book. You can download sample pages of this book from east.education.